Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we are going to talk about the headlight control of this Ecosport. So basically we have few modes here, that is one is for fog lamp, this one is for fog lamp, and this is for the headlamp control. So this is the rotator of the headlamp. So first thing is, this round means it is in off position, off mode, and once you rotate here, this is the parking lamp mode, as I shown in the beginning. This is the parking mode, and in this parking mode just this is the parking mode. As you see, the ambient lights are on. This is the parking mode with a small light, as I shown. The DRL light will be a little more, the brightness will be less in this mode. In this mode the DRL will be bright. So in this mode the DRL will be on like this, and when I turn into the parking mode, the DRL will be little more lightened. That means the DRL will be in little more, the DRL brightness will be little more less. So in over here, this is the headlamp mode. The headlamp is on, right? So this is the headlamp of the low beam. I mean the headlight on switch, which the projectors will be on, and once this is on, you can control it from here. And if I pull this stalk little more forward, this is for the flash, and if I pull this stalk backwards, as in regular cars, this is for the high beam, in which the second bulb or the main you have one more, this double barrel light, right? One projector and one more LED is there. So that's functioning for high beam. So that will be activated if you pull this in, just you pull this front. So if release it, it will be in low beam, and this is for the flash. Okay, so this is the mode of headlamp, and this is the automatic function, in which the vehicle senses that if it is in if the vehicle is in bright sunny day, or a bright light is there, I mean in morning condition, if the bright sunlight is there, it will sense and it will turn off the headlight. And if any darkness is sensed by the vehicle, then this automatic headlamp will be turning on at that point. So that is a function of auto function. The sensors will be in headlamp or something, somewhere sensor is there. It will detect the darkness, or whether it's dark or light, or if the light is there, it will turn off. Darkness is there, it will turn on. And this pressing here, this is the adjustment for the headlamp level adjustment. That is level adjustment. Here we have 4 levels, I guess. This is for the fog lamp. The fog lamp is on now. You will have a symbol here for the fog lamp. and this is for the brightness adjustment, the display brightness adjustment. So you can adjust the brightness of the full touch screen as well as the instrument cluster brightness can be adjusted from here. Now it is low, as you can see. So guys, this is for the headlamp. Now the headlamp is on, as well as the parking lamp is on. So I will show step by step. This is the DRL. Only this light will be running. This is for the parking mode. This is a fog lamp. This is the headlight. Headlight with fog lamp. And this is for the high beam. So the high beam. This light will be turning on for high beam. So this is low beam. The headlights are on. Low beam. Only this projector will be on. And for the high beam, this light will be on. The secondary bulb. So low beam only the HID. This is HID headlamp. This is HID projector. So it will be turn on for low beam. And this is for the high beam. This LED is for the high beam. The secondary bulb. This is the function of high beam. And in this bulb functions as high beam. And this is for low beam. Program. And I will show you the indicator. This is the indicator. Halogen unit. Fog lamp is also halogen. The high beam is replaced with LED. Else it will be halogen only. So this is the indicator. This is also halogen. The back is normal, nothing much LED is not there. This is for the right indicator.